Hello friends, hi. In this video we are going to learn how to install testng into the Eclipse. So I have launched the Eclipse into my system, and after that you have to go to help and click on marketplace, Eclipse marketplace. So basically to install testng you have to install one plugin into your Eclipse. So to install any plugin you have to search that plugin into this field. So I will search testng and hit enter. So you can see there's one plugin which is called testng for Eclipse. So you have to just click on install button like this, like I have already installed. So if it is not installed into your system, it will show install option here. So just click it and wait for some time. You will get internet access for that because it will download from net. So after that you can see you will get these options like testng is showing install into your system. So you are done with the testng. So you to just check how to if it's installed properly or not, or you can use it or not. I will just create one project, create any project, right? I will create one Maven project to show you. Okay, so I have created one Maven project. Okay, so I will just run a quick test Maven test. Okay, so to get a sample code we'll just go to Maven website, sorry, testng website. Let's go here. So they have given one sample code. We'll paste it here. Don't worry, we are getting some issues. Don't worry, we'll just resolve it. So it's saying okay, change the name of Java file. Okay, and this error I'm getting because we have not imported these files from testng. So you are getting this option, friends, add testng libraries, but if you have not installed testng plugin, you will not get this option. So as I'm getting this, you have to import this option. So if you install testng plugin, you will get this option like add testng libraries. So I'll click on it. So you can see on left hand side testng libraries are added into my Maven project, but still this is not resolved because we have to import from these libraries into our this .java file. Okay, you have to import this annotations. So it is saying import before class annotations from org.testng.annotations. So it is taking this annotation is taking from testng libraries which I have just added. So you can see errors are getting resolved. So yes, so I am getting error here that test is not an annotation type because I have already imported JUnit framework test, like JUnit libraries are imported here. Because of that I'm not able to identify this like we did it for before class. So I'll just remove this JUnit thing from my Maven project. Okay, I will save it. Now I will check. Now yes, it's showing me. Yes, so both the things are, so both errors are gone, right? And we'll just run it quickly. So test has run successfully, friends. You can see we have got the output pass, both test cases are passed, test case run 2, failure 0, escape 0. So we are getting expected output, friends. So in this way you can install testng into your Eclipse. So thanks for now, we'll meet in next video. Bye bye.